All right, then let's look at the markets. So definitely 4,200, 4,200. And we'll see if we have an evening star forming later on today, because I believe that's way overbought and you have clear divergence happening. Notice how standard deviation momentum is coming back down while price is heading to the upside. Might be a nice one. Weekly, yeah, it's just been too strong, too powerful. Long term still very bullish. I wonder when the correction is gonna happen.
Right?
Waiting for the correction. So short term bearish, long term still bullish. The VIX, on the other hand, yeah, it doesn't want to go and fail within this primary uptrend. That's basically happening since 2020. So yeah, I'm bullish with the VIX at this point in time. Divergence, price is dropping. VIX and an S&P. Um, there is that divergence if we're dealing here since February, but price is also going to the upside. And divergence short term through there where price is also going to the upside. So yeah, I am bearish with the S&P, bullish with VIX, Dow Jones, same. Can see clear divergence. Weekly time frame, way overbought as well. So we'll see when that happens. Too strong, too powerful. But if we're dealing here since November 2017, clear divergence, price is heading to the upside. Well, this is also failing. Dollar index, overbought. It was so close. I don't know what's gonna happen by the end of the week. Oh, end of the month. And actually, let's delete certain things here just to be clean. Yeah, if it finishes above 92, then I'll be bullish with the dollar index. But we'll see if that happens. Weekly, have from a correction standpoint, maybe a continuation. However, we're also got to be aware that there is a trend up here. So we'll see though. I don't know what's gonna happen, but what are the news? High impact news today within the pound, 2300 hours. RBA meeting minutes. Oh, they have Aussie. Chinese yuan, but the pound definitely medium impact with the euro. Tomorrow at 1 a.m. bank lending survey, which is high impact. That will affect the euro. Nothing in the US. There's a lot of low impact. Kiwi, and back to Australia, retail sales, consumer price index, back with the pound tomorrow, CPI, some medium impact. Wednesday, you have medium impact with the pound, the euro, 10-year bond, high impact with Governor Bailey speaking. Canadian news, high impact through there. Ooh, there's quite a few there on Wednesday with the CAD. Nothing in the US. Hey, let's see here. CPI, yep, Wednesday. CAD. Okay, so there's a lot. Back to Euro, Thursday, and Friday. So yeah, let's see what it will do by then. So daily, yeah, there was nice settling within the 9150 broke out though. So lower low from here. Question is, can it go all the way back down to 9150? Perhaps there would be a possibility, but it's also way oversold. So we'll see when that happens. Since the price back to level demand, I'd rather be a buyer than a seller. At this point is a form of test trades. Oil hovering around last week, bullish continuation since the trend is up. I'd rather be a buyer than a seller. Better price around 62. That's $1.17. And crude oil, same. Back to supply. Better to buy back in around 64. And then, all right. So based on forecasting, finally touched through this trend line here. There is more in order to go through. I believe there is somewhere around there more. Weekly time frame from a form of correction can go all the way to 1827, which makes sense. If it creates a higher low, then I'll be bullish. Basically, with it finished like this, higher low can go all the way back to $2,100 an ounce, and that's where the dollar index is also in a dangerous spot. Better price point of buying somewhere here, so back to 1757. So $20 an ounce if it chooses to. Copper is bullish, which means there's more for probably Aussie. Back to the buying, correction, continuation. Yield, back to buy, and correction, perhaps more to the upside as well. So let's look at Aussie. Aussie weekly now has a buy signal if it finishes like this strong. This is why I'm bullish with Aussie. Yeah, still bullish. Euro still going, but mind you, it's overbought too, so got to be aware with that. Finish like that, and there's a buy signal as well. In my opinion, this can go to or beyond probably 124 if the dollar index will be weak. Okay, pound. Oh man, that's a nice buy signal yesterday. On the 16th of April. So that's pretty cool. Weekly, yeah, can go all the way there. 142. So if this one will correct, since the price already is supply, it's too expensive, then going back in to buy. Kiwi, buy. Dollar CAD. There could be a potential buy. Currently it's just hovering around at 125, depending on what the Canadian news will do it to. 124.80. Dang it, missed it. So if the price will come back down, then back to buying. But technically, yeah, still saying it's a sell, right? Like, but there's a potential buy. It finishes like this. Dollar Swiss, so close. So this one, I believe they want to reach the 50th percentile, 9102, and way over sold as well. So potential correction. I'm still bullish with this, a form of correction, longer term bearish. Oh, and finishes like this though, then there's a more of a sell, then this is going to continue back down to 90 or 89.46. And then we discussed dollar yen, where we are potentially there's a buyback in somewhere there before, not a lower low, lower high will happen before a sell will occur. All right, so that's basically the market update and stuff that we could do today. Jared, do you have any questions?